When I first saw you, I saw love in your eyes. Or something like it. And I smiled at you. Smiled, watched and waited. Till bit by bit, it became the love of a whipped bitch. Pleading and begging. It was then that I knew I had you. It was then that I threw you away.
Eugene, my love, take me, please. Our time is short, we're no longer young. Oh, let's end this deception now.
I'm 50 years old. It's too late for me to change my way of living.
Have I changed much? You've grown thinner. Your eyes are larger than they were. Nina, why didn't you let me come to you? Why didn't you come to me? You've been here nearly a week. I've been many times to where you live and I've stood like a beggar outside your window.
I was afraid you might hate me. Every night I dream that you look at me without knowing who I am. I've been wandering about the shore of the lake. I've often been near your house, but I've never had the courage to visit. Let's sit. Let's sit and talk and talk and talk. It's so quiet and warm in here. Do you hear the wind?
Nina, I've cursed you. I've hated you. I've torn up your photograph. Yeah, I've always known. My heart and soul were yours forever. I can't stop loving you. I've suffered since the moment I lost you. Since then my life has been unendurable. My youth was suddenly torn from me, and now it feels like I've lived in the world for 90 years. I've called to you. I've kissed the ground you walked on. Wherever I went, I saw your face. And your smile. That smile made bright the best years of my life. Stay here, Nina. I beg you. Or let me go away with you. Nina. Don't. For God's sake, Nina.
Oh, my carriage is at the gate. Don't see me off. I can find my own way.
Where are you going?
Back to the village. Is your mother here?
Yes. My uncle fell ill on Thursday. We telegraphed for her to come.
Why do you say you kissed the ground I walked on? You should kill me.